Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we're going to make chicken tikka masala. You know, I've been dreaming to eat this food. When I was in Kenya, I was just like saying, when will I get back to my place so that I can make chicken tikka? And today we're gonna make chicken tikka masala. Stay tuned, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and like I said, today is gonna be chicken tikka masala day. So, and you're gonna need chicken breast. I bought 1 kg, and now you're gonna need, for ingredients, you're gonna need chicken tikka, and you're gonna need a bowl, as you can see, to put the chicken tikka inside. And then you cut them into small cube pieces, and after cutting them, you have to marinate. So I'm going to show you how you marinate it. Just stay tuned and watch everything. We are finally done cutting our meat. And then these are the things you're gonna need. You're gonna need ginger, you're gonna need lemon, you're gonna need garlic, you're gonna need salt for marination. Everything that I'm showing you is for marination. You're gonna need yogurt, a plain yogurt, and you're gonna need garam masala. You can put all the spices you want to put. Those are the things I was just putting because those are the things I had. If you have paprika powder, you can put it. If you have cumin, you can put it also. So you put the yogurt inside, as you can see in the video, and then I take my ginger, garlic crushed, and then I mix it, and then I'll add small salt, not too much salt because it's gonna be too salty. And then you squeeze your lemon juice in it. After squeezing your lemon juice in it, yeah, you have to squeeze the whole lemon juice. You have to squeeze the whole lemon juice inside, and then you koroga, you stir it. Even if you have anything, you can put anything you want inside. I have royco chicken. Yeah, I'm gonna put now my chicken royco inside. You can put all the spices, all the powdered spices, and even the fresh ginger, garlic. You can put anything you want to put for marination, the one you prefer. And then now we're gonna store it in the fridge for 1 hour. You cover it. You have to cover it, and then we put it in the fridge. Don't mind my English. After doing this, you just have to put it in the fridge and wait for 1 hour, like I said. So as you wait for 1 hour, you have to prepare your ingredients. You cut your onions for frying the chicken tikka when the chicken tikka is ready. So this is 30 minutes exactly after waiting for that 1 hour. I waited for 30 minutes, and then I started preparing my ingredients. And yeah, now you have to cut your paprika, fresh paprika. It's optional, you must not put it, but if you like, you can put it. You can put this powder, or you can put the fresh paprika or put the powdered one. Which one you prefer is okay for you. After you're done cutting your paprika, then now you cut your coriander. Coriander, like I said, is dania. I love coriander so much. You cut your coriander into small pieces. And I'm gonna use the tomato paste and the normal tomato from the supermarket. You can use fresh one if you like, but I'll prefer that one from the box, the pasted one. Should I say the pasted one? You're gonna need the cooking cream. You're gonna need the remaining ginger and garlic. You must have it. You're gonna need it. And turmeric powder. If you don't like turmeric powder, you can put curry powder, the one you prefer. So 1 hour is finished, and now we're taking our chicken tikka out, chicken breast out, and then you can use the small sticks to, like, what do you call it, shawarma. You can put those into these small sticks. They look like toothpicks, so you have to put them inside and then put them in the oven. So I forgot to buy them. That's why I'm picking them one by one and put them on this clean paper, back paper. And that's why I'm going to put them in the oven for them to cook. And you have to leave them for about 15 minutes to cook, not too long, because they're soft already, you know. So that's how it is. But if you have those three, I will prefer if you have those sticks, then you put them one by one. They're going to cook so well. This is what I did because I didn't have those sticks, and I left it for. And then now I'm starting to fry my ingredients one by one. I put the oil, let it cook for some minutes. I'll cook everything together now, and as I wait for the chicken to get ready, because it has to stay there in the oven for 15 minutes. Yeah, and now you add your paprika and your garlic and ginger together and stir, and garam masala. You just put every spices you have again all together. You put them all together and stir, as you can see in the video. So guys, this is the outcome. This is how it looks like. Yeah, it looks good. It depends on the ingredients you've used to marinate. Some put those paprika and they become red as if, you know, but I didn't put that paprika powder because I didn't have. And yeah, after taking it out from the oven, you just put it in the paste that you made, and then you stir, and then now you add in your cooking cream, and then you stir. My rice was cooking, was also ready. Yeah, it's tasty with rice. So my rice was ready. Yeah, as you can see, it looks so yummy. It looks so good. So guys, this is the outcome. And I liked it. This is my first time trying to cook chicken tikka, and I really loved it. I loved it. So I'm gonna add in my coriander now, coriander leaves, and then we are done. The food is ready to be eaten. The food is now ready to be eaten. Don't mind my son on the background, it's a bit noise, but so guys, this is the outcome. I love avocado. Avocado must be in our meal. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to comment, and please don't forget to share so that someone else can learn something new.